name is Maria Pashinska. I'm software engineer at TTP Services. Today I will show you how to integrate FileMaker solution with ShipStation. So ShipStation is a fast and simple web-based e-commerce shipping platform that will streamline and automate your fulfillment process. So companies that use both FileMaker and ShipStation often find themselves doing double data entry from one system to another. In this video, I will show you how we can eliminate that. I will demonstrate you how to create an order. First, we will need to follow the steps in an article how to generate our ShipStation API key. So currently I'm on board. I'm gonna click a gear. I'm gonna go to account, API settings, generate API key. I'm gonna copy my API key and API secret into my FileMaker solution into this window. So after that, I will highly recommend to check ShipStation API documentation. So let's take a look on that. They even provide us example request. So this API call requires an order number, order date, order status. All the possible values are listed right here. Bill to and ship to. Both of them use the addresses module. So let's create a new order and push it to ShipStation account. So I already pre-filled with the data my FileMaker solution. Great. On a successful sync, you will see a body like this, and it will also return as ShipStation order key. So I will highly recommend to save your ShipStation order key, because with the order key you can later on update your record. So let's see how it works. We're going to start at line 22. We're setting up a variable endpoint. We're getting endpoint from ShipStation documentation. We're setting up order number variable, order date variable, order status variable, bill to. It's going to be a variable, but it's also going to be a JSON object. So let's take a look on that. And ship to, which is also going to be a JSON object. In line 31, we're setting up our OS variable. So that's basically gonna get our ShipStation API key. We're gonna add a column. We're gonna add ShipStation API secret, and we're gonna use FileMaker function base 64 in code. And if you have, guys, any new lines, any invisible characters, you can remove that too. In line 32, I'm setting up a data variable. So let's take a look on that. It's going to be a JSON object. Inside, it's going to be order number, which is going to be a JSON string, order date, which is going to be a JSON string, order status, which is going to be a JSON string, bill to, which is going to be a JSON object, and ship to, which is going to be a JSON object. In line 34, we're setting up a curl variable, so let's take a look. From our documentation, we know that we're gonna use post request. From the documentation, we know that our header is going to be a content type, which is going to be application JSON. Also, we know that another header is going to be for our authorization. It's going to use the basic one, and that's where we're adding our AUS variable. Then we're specifying a data and adding our data variable. In line 37, we call insert from URL. We save it to the variable and call it result. Specify URL is going to be our endpoint, and guys, make sure you check automatically encode URL. Specify curl option. We're gonna pass our curl variable. So in line 46, when we're getting our result, we're gonna format it and we're gonna save it to the FileMaker. So since we know it's going to be a JSON object, I highly recommend to get an order key, so that will help you later on to update your record. Okay, so let's make sure the order has been added to our ShipStation account. Okay, so we can see order 150, that's the one. It's going to be for Lily Collins. And it's for Lily Collins. So guys, that's how we integrate the post request create order from our FileMaker solution with the ShipStation account. Thanks for watching this video. If you need any help implementing ShipStation to your FileMaker solution, please let us know. We will be happy to help.